A bright combo of red and yellow infuses this predominantly white living space with a vibrant personality. A solid yellow modular sofa and sunshine yellow wall art create bold color blocking against a red spotted feature wall. A red patterned living room rug creates a buzz of excitement across a smooth microcement floor. A coordinating red lounge chair colorfully rounds out the living room furniture arrangement. The chair's rounded silhouette is complemented by a round glass coffee table at the center of the space. White perforated panels cover half of the living room wall, the boundaries of a lofted bedroom, and the staircase balustrade. Red dots fill random perforations, creating a pixelated effect. Black pixelated living room wall decor adds an unusual touch above the modern fireplace, replacing the typical wall mirror or chimney breast clock. Natural light enters through huge, double-height windows at the front of the living room dining room combo, and flows all the way to the open-plan kitchen in the back. A yellow kitchen peninsula forms a casual dining table, which separates the living room sitting area from the culinary zone. Modern white kitchen bar stools quietly accessorize the bright kitchen extension. Perforated panels clad the underside of the lofted bedroom, building a textured cocoon around the kitchen. Unique plant stands accent the space with dashes of color. A white living room chandelier creates a low-impact yet chic sculptural centerpiece. The back of the kitchen installation has color blocked in a matte red finish, which bleeds through into the home entryway. Red risers climb the adjacent staircase. At the top of the staircase, color is reduced in the lofted bed space to promote rest. Red spotted wall panels deliver a restrained color treatment around a layout of white and pale gray elements. See more ideas for small studios with lofted bed areas. Floating shelves store a collection of books and display decorative items. A home workspace is situated toward the front of the loft, where it benefits from the most natural light. In the bathroom, a red and yellow pedestal sink stands upon a yellow tiled floor with red grout. Red tiles cover the bathroom focal wall, separated by contrasting yellow grout. A freestanding red faucet fills the pedestal sink. A racetrack bathroom mirror complements the curves of the sink unit. A curved wall separates the shower space design from the vanity area. The red colorway flows into modern bathroom accessories, a vertical towel rail, and a modern linear wall sconce with an integrated planter. A red shelving unit stores clean towels and toiletries. A dark green backdrop puts a new tilt on the red and yellow accent theme in this modern home interior. A red and gold coffee table shakes up the green living room, deepening its visual appeal. Geometric pattern tiles uplift the dark green kitchen design. A bright yellow sofa changes the character of the sophisticated interior, adding an eclectic air. Yellow wall art sends beams of sunshine across the living room walls. Red dining chairs send a signal of welcoming warmth, beckoning all to the communal eating area. A natural wood table, clear glass dining room pendant lights, and a simple glass vase complete the dining room ensemble, without upsetting the color balance. A small home workspace slots into the corner of the living room. A muted yellow desk chair and matching picture frames add dashes of light color onto a dark green canvas. A modern wall sconce illuminates the narrow nook. Gold accents serve as a metallic yellow accent in the dark green kitchen. Gold kitchen utensils, gold cabinet hardware, a gold faucet, and gold-framed kitchen bar stools communicate a luxurious ambience. A cutaway between the tiled backsplash wall and a column of glass bricks opens up a startling glimpse of the deep red painted home entryway. Floor-to-ceiling mirrored units make the hallway look white and spacious. A dark red colorway calls attention to the front door, and a stylish coat nook with a trendy slatted wall treatment. Floor-to-ceiling mirrored units make the hallway look white and spacious. A dark red colorway calls attention to the front door, and a stylish coat nook with a trendy slatted wall treatment. The upholstered entryway bench is embellished with gold to complement the yellow accent furniture and accessories. A sunburst mirror embodies the warmth of the yellow accent palette. A wide, gold trim highlights the interior of an elegant archway that leads into the kitchen diner. Patterned floor tiles thread a youthful spirit through the summer green hallway. A dark green ceiling seamlessly caps the color-blocked scheme.